Hi everyone. So in this video we will study about what is artificial intelligence. Okay, this website is mine only. I have created for the educational purpose to study the students can study from this website. Okay, I will give the link in the description. So first we will understand what is an artificial intelligence with a full practical example with a good understand. So a basic understand, the basic technological term which will be written in the your examination called as artificial intelligence is a technique which computes the mimic the human intelligence. Okay, it enables to learn, reason, solving the problem, and understanding the language and making the decision. So this, if you write this in examination, it is enough. To know you more, let me talk about the artificial intelligence. The father of the artificial intelligence is John McCarthy. He's the father of AI in 1956. In the 1956, he just made this artificial intelligence. He just demonstrated and coined the thing called as artificial intelligence in 1956 itself. So this artificial intelligence is based on some visual speech and decision making and language translations in the problem solving. So it could be anything where we are doing something like advanced thing. The human also can be done, but the artificial intelligence can be do in a speed where uh, it is a very huge thing. Okay, so there is an artificial intelligence which come inside the artificial intelligence. We know the machine learning. Inside the machine learning we have deep learning. So let us know, before we go for the definition of these things, let me tell the father of artificial intelligence in a theoretical way. He is in Alan Turing. Alan Turing is a person who created a machine, mechanical machine, to convert the uh, enemy's code to decode the things by using the artificial intelligence technique year of uh, in the year of 1950, at the time of World War II. So Alan Turing. So I recommend the movie name called as The Imagination of Game. In 2014 it was released. This concept, if you see this documentary movie, you will understand how this artificial intelligence was begun. The Alan Turing just think about this, and he see the enemies was uh, sending the frequencies, by radio or something else. They're sending the messages by using the numbers. The numbers was changing the algorithm every day. To break it, the Alan Turing created a machine. Okay, so that by using that machine, he cracked those code, and he really millions of the life was saved. Okay, so you just read in the website. I have detailed information. Okay, so now let's see the AI versus machine learning versus deep learning. So in the artificial intelligence, as we know, it is smart and carry out in the task in a smart way. So example, a best example is the chess playing game. So if you are playing the chess game in opposite way, the computer will play. This is the best example for your artificial intelligence. So machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence which learns from the data without being exploited program. So example, best example, everybody know the Gmail. In the Gmail, in the email, we have a spam folder. It filters over by the time. It will identify the unknown HTTPS links. It will check the frauds and some virus attachment files. It will just detect, that machine will detect, and it will just filter it. That is the machine learning. Let's talk about the deep learning. Deep learning means it will go for deeper voice. The best example is image recognition and voice. Okay, so let's come for the types of artificial intelligence. It is the most important thing. Types of artificial intelligence. So we have now the current era is going with the narrow AI. Narrow AI is the weak AI, also can be understand. So narrow AI is designed for a single task. Narrow is something, narrow means boundary. It is fixed. It will doing the same thing. So example, Siri. in the iPhones and everything, before you go with the Siri, hey Siri, open the YouTube. It will open the YouTube. So it is a command we are giving. It will just open the YouTube. It does not do anything. And if you say, hey Siri, uh, go to Google and search this, it will do. But it does not do the extra thing. And as well as the Google Assistant and as well and Netflix recommendation and self-driving cars. In self-driving cars, there will be a navigation will be setted. It will follow those things only. Means it will be in a narrow. It will be border and even spam and the face recognition. So it will narrow. It will follow the in a border. So in a general AI, it will be think out of the box, means it will think from that particular, it will not become narrow, it think in and out of the box. You can see this type of does not exist yet, this is does not exist yet, but this is predicting by the next era will be general AI. Okay, we have super AI as well, super artificial intelligence. It is does not even having now, but they are predicting the super intelligence can do better than the human. Actually, this is the theoretical future of AI, which is given by the scientist. Okay, and the basic uh, functionalities, the limited memory, theory of mind, self-awareness, and so these are the things you can just study about this. And some real world like applications of AI, healthcare, finance, transportation, entertainment, education. In the finance, we can just predict the transitions and we can just detect the fraud. And transportation, the self-driving car, entertainment, Netflix, YouTube, analyzing the your data, you know. And in education, personalization learning. Okay, we have simple coding. You can just, this is simple code where it just works. This is simple AI where it was working. So why it is important? So automation, we can do the automation nowadays, and we can analyze the data. By using the analyzed data, the business is growing a lot. Okay, so it will impact the economy, and innovations can be done. Yeah, so in this video we just wrap the what is artificial intelligence. It's a simple thing. Okay, so you just visit this website, you can read a lot of things. I'm just updating the things more and more. This is a freshly created website for only for the students who can study the topics. Yeah, thank you, bye bye.